Have ants invaded your garden? Don't worry, here's a simple and affordable way to fight them. DIY Natural Ant Killer. Recipe, ingredients: 2 hard-boiled egg yolks, half a teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of boric acid powder. Instructions: mash the egg yolks in a bowl. Add the honey and boric acid. Mix well until it forms a paste. How to use: place small amounts of this mixture near anthills. The ants will be attracted to it, consume it, and eventually dehydrate. Other natural ant repellents: bay leaves. Place them near infested areas to keep ants away. Cinnamon or black pepper. A pinch of either acts as a natural deterrent. Baking soda and sugar. Mix and sprinkle near anthills to disrupt their colonies. Mint, cornstarch, or talc. These substances are great at repelling ants naturally. With these eco-friendly and chemical-free methods, you can keep your garden ant-free without harming the environment. Try them out and let us know which one works best for you. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gardening tips.